Finger. You can see me hear song with the headphone on and if you want it louder there are speakers full on. It has a keyboard and is run by a mouse. It has a processing unit. It is the brain house.